Hello guys, kumusta po tayong lahat? So, ito yung weather actually noong last other day after yesterday, I guess. This is the sign na tapos na din yung winter dito sa aking country na pinagtatrabahuan. So, now we are facing a summer. So if I will choose between summer and winter, so much better to choose the winter time, because summer, it is not easy to handle. It's too hot, most especially for those doing like commuting, catching bus or metro station or the train. We call train mostly. So this is my daily routine, and the thing why that I took a video on this, it's because of I feel like a little bit emotional on this time, and I decided to took a picture, is video, because while I am traveling, going to work, so it will be just suddenly comes into my mind that one day these things that I always doing here in Dubai every morning, going to work, and all of this will become a memories. So hindi natin alam kung hanggang ilang taon na lang ang pagtatagal ko dito sa Dubai. So ang masasabi ko lang na ginawa ko tong video na ito is para meron akong maalala na isang araw ito yung aking ginagawa. Kasi kahit na ilang taon mo pang ginagawa, yung daily routine mo, lahat ng yan is magiging memories. So, ayan. Continue watching, guys. Thank you so much, and I love you all.